I was reading the Hampshire Wildlife Trust magazine and finding out who was coming and going, which birds were coming and going, and just thinking about them on their just incredibly fragile journeys as they go from either from the cold to the warm or the warm to the cold, depending on what they need for their food. And just how everything absolutely has to fit together to make it happen. And any one little bit could be missing and then they die. So that's really what I was thinking about. I feel that these little shapes here, you know, a little bit like weather fronts or, you know, I don't know, magnetic fields or whatever. There are so many things that could go wrong anyway that it's amazing any of them ever turn up, really. These two, so these are really about the fact that without photosynthesis there would be nothing, there would be no life on Earth. And so this one's called Let There Be Light, and that's how the light gets in. I just want to have an explosion of some kind of life on this canvas here. I don't know what they are, I don't know what scale they are, I don't mind. They're whatever you think they are. And this is the same sort of idea, but is a bit less busy in a sense. The light reaching down into the depths of the forest or depths of the ocean or whatever. But without it, there is nothing. So I started both of these with the lovely yellow underneath, and then added to that, changed everything after that. But I do like having a nice bright underneath if I can. So everything's a bit ecological at the moment. I'm very worried about, you know, the climate, as a lot of people are. But rather than do sort of oceans of plastic, I just wanted to celebrate what we've got, really. So these are about the way the oceans come to life. So at various places on the planet, the cold water that has lots of nutrient in it, because it's coming up, welling up from the depths, where lots of things have decayed and died, so wells up with lots of nutrient and comes to the light and the warmth. And there, all the phytoplankton come to life, and the whole ocean life starts, or a lot of it starts at that place. And there are not many parts of the world where that actually, you know, can be seen easily. But this one is about the waters off the southern coast of Africa, in a place called Agulhas, and there you have the cold Atlantic coming in and meeting the warm Indian Ocean right off the bottom of Africa. These two big ocean currents collide at that point, and there's a huge explosion of life there. It's just absolutely amazing. So that, I hope, has got a bit of the heat of Africa in there as well, and a bit of the excitement and the movement and generating life, really. And the whole thing really started to make sense for me when I discovered these marks here, this, and this, that I dribbled. And I suddenly saw everything turning around, and that was the cold and this was the warm. And it just suddenly, that one came to life with those two marks, really.